Hallo en welkom hier by Farm Space van Sail Staalwerke. Is hier nou 'n maatskappy met wie jy die pad kan stap. Anthony gaan my 'n bietjie meer vertel, checka. Hy het 'n opstert, kontourmaker en ek nou net sommer daai ripper vir hom rooi gemaak. Ons luister 'n bietjie. Anthony, hoe gaan dit?
Good day to you, Chupi.
Nee, doodstil rustig. Sê gou vir my, julle is hierso, ek weet nie eens wat se area is hierdie presies. Ek weet dit is naby die Valdam, nee.
Ja, between Heidelberg and the Valdam, ja.
Sê gou vir my, hoe lyk julle boerdery opset? Wat doen julle presies? Wat se gewasse verbou julle? Hoe lyk die storie?
We do the cropping, so got maize and some soybeans that we plant, and in the winter we do a bit of wheat under the pivots.
Ja.
And then we got the cattle side, the feedlot, some backgrounding, and then we also got the Simmental studs. So that's all.
So all in all, you're properly diversified.
Yeah. We've even got some pecan nut trees, so we're trying to get a slice everywhere. So yeah.
So sê gou vir my, just explain to me quickly, how does Van Sail fit into your farm?
I think what makes Van Sail nice is it's a locally made product, and it's well built, easily available, and yeah, if you don't have the biggest budget, it's quite affordable as well. And yeah, for us, we, like you say, we got our hands in a lot of pies, so the budget's not always there. So yeah, we like a well built, strong implements that we can rely on.
Something that's an asset, not just a consumable.
Sure. Yeah.
So explain to me quickly, you've got the opstert here. Waar gebruik julle dan nou hierdie opstert in julle boerdery?
Yeah, so this opstert we use for fertilizer, loading from the trailer straight into the spreaders. And yeah, we've had it for a season, worked very nicely, no complaints. The nice thing about it is you can adjust it. If you want to load just 1 ton and you want a bit more height, you can extend this arm.
Well, okay, ek sien nou daarso daai.
So you can see those different options there with those holes. What it's currently on is 1 ton, but if you want to load maybe 2 ton, you make the arm shorter and that makes it a bit stronger.
Hoe maklik is dit om dit om te werk? Want ek weet baie keer van hierdie goeters, ja, in beginsel lyk dit nou alright, jy het nou soos 'n tipe forklift agter op jou trekker se gat, maar dan is dit moeilik om dit om te werk.
No, very simple. It's got the hydraulic arm there, and yeah, basically on the lift for a bit more height, and the rest you're just doing with one hydraulic cylinder. Very simple, works nicely.
Uitstekend. Okay, en dan hierso, hierdie kontourmaker, verduidelik my gou 'n bietjie, want ek sien hy's 'n bietjie anders as die ander, want ek sien hy het hierdie, jy kan sy vlerkies opstel.
So we looked at a few contour makers, and we chose this specific one for that exact reason. Because as you can see here in our area, it's rolling hills and you've got a lot of lands on slopes, so you're not always working a flat area, and you want to be able to have one side lower, one side higher. It just helps with working contours on a slope.
Is dit nie dan baie moeiliker om te operate, dat jy nou weer 'n slimmer operator moet hê nie, of is hy maklik?
Not at all. That hydraulic cylinder makes everything easy. You just set it nicely. You can play with it nicely with that.
En ek neem ook aan as jy sekere gedeeltes waar jy dalk die een gedeelte van die kontour dieper wil maak as die ander een, dan kan jy dit sommer on the fly doen.
Exactly, that's how it is. The operator can just manage those 2 cylinders very easily from the cab, and you can make that contour exactly how you want it. These folding wings are very nice to have on the contour maker.
En bearings en daai tipe van goeders, het julle al enige issues gehad?
We haven't changed one on this one. We've done a few contours this year. We all know we had a lot of rain in the beginning.
Ja, maar net sê, want alles het mos weggespoel. Jy moet jou eerste verband daar by die buurman gaan haal.
Exactly. So yeah, no bearings yet, no problems at all.
En ek sien hy net basies hierdie grease nippel, jy moet hom seker nou maar net wat, elke nou en dan maar net grease, seker maak dat hy reg is.
No, exactly, just keep the maintenance going.
En daar agter jou nou, né? Het julle nou 'n ripper met wat is dit, Super 19 tande wat julle
hier op het? This is a Super 19 Rovic tines on this ripper.
Maar met Van Sail se frame?
Yeah, Van Sail's frame. So what's nice about Van Sail's ripper is they give you the option to, you can obviously choose your color, and then they give you an option on the tines whether you want the Rovic tines on, or you can take the Van Sail tines. So what's nice about these rippers is you can basically tell them what you want and they'll give it to you.
En is dit nie maar dieselfde met al hulle goeders is dat hulle ongelooflik flexible is, dit wat jy as boer soek, dit kan jy by hulle kry
No,
nie.
exactly. That's what makes them so nice. Like you said earlier, if you want a red one, you get a red one. If you want a green one, you get a green one. And yeah, like I said on these rippers, that tine is a very nice thing. You can choose what you want on here.
Wat is die een ding wat rarig vir jou uitstaan, as jy kyk na Van Zyl staalwerke, wat nou vir jou sê, hierdie is 'n lekker company om saam mee te werk?
I think the way they build their stuff, everything's really strong. You can see here we got a 400 Steiger on this 15 tine ripper. It's definitely a bit overkill. And yeah, you can look at this frame. It's probably ripped 1,600 hectares. There's no bending, there's no cracks, there's no nothing. So yeah, we just really like how strong they are. And yeah, they're always willing to help.
So, if someone was sitting on the fence and they were between Van Zyl and something else, you say to them they can go the Van Zyl route.
Yeah, there's no other way. They can definitely.
Right, so as jy gewonder het of jy Van Zyl kan gaan, nee. Anthony sê jy kan maar daai rigting stoot. So, of jy dink jy wil optel, of jy 'n wal wil stoot, of trek, nee, en of jy die grond wil losmaak, link op bo of hier onder, kom jy met hulle in kontak. Dis die van Farm Spice af, tot volgende keer. Groete.